kindergartners, this is Mrs. Hilliard, and we're going to do another project. We're going to do a mosaic egg art project. This is what you need. You need this little egg paper with your colored papers, some glue, and a pair of scissors. So make sure you have all that, and then come on back and we'll get started. All right, so a mosaic egg art project. What a mosaic is we're gonna cut pieces of paper and get different shapes out of the colors and then glue them onto the egg to make a design. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna carefully get these little papers off of the white paper. I don't need this card anymore. And then I'm gonna take these apart. You should have 4 colors. You should have green, yellow, purple, and pink. Nice springish colors. I'm going to take the staple off of this paper. So the fun thing about this project is there's really no wrong way to do it. You can do any shapes you want to. You can make a choice. You can decide to just put colors all over it, or you can do a design. I'm going to do a design on mine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with some green. I'm going to do some green at the bottom of my egg. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut some shapes. And I don't want it to be really big shapes. I'm going to start by cutting just off the bottom like that. And you can cut triangle shapes, trapezoid shapes, squares, whatever you want. So once you have some shapes, you're going to get some glue, put a little bit of glue on it, and then glue it on your egg. And it's okay if it goes on the line a little bit. When you put the next piece on, leave a little space. See how I'm leaving a little bit of space like that? And then I'm going to put the next piece on. This piece I'm going to put, let's see, I'm going to put it down here. And then I'll put this one. And it's okay if it goes over the line a little bit too. See how this one kind of goes over the line? That's okay because we're actually going to be cutting it out at the end. And remember, there's not really a right or wrong way to do it. I'm going to do this one like this. And I'm going to cut some more green. And let's see, I'll do a little rectangle. I will do this shape. Some just random shapes. So you just keep putting some glue. And don't worry if you get glue on your egg right there because it will dry clear. Let's see, ooh, this one would fit right inside this little space right there. I'm gonna put that one right there. Right inside there. And then I'll put this one right here. I'll put this one maybe right here. And I'll put this one over here. And I'll just do a few more green ones. So I'm going to cut a little strip of green. And I'm going to cut some shapes. Let's see. Ooh, that one would look good there, huh? And okay. So let's see. I'm going to do this one over here, I think. So I'm going to put this one right here. And then I'm going to put this one right here, I think. And you know what? It might cover up one of my other ones a little bit. That's okay. And I'll put this one over here. And that actually gives me a nice little line right there. So I might put these ones aside and not use these ones yet. Okay, now I'm going to get another color. I think next I'm going to use purple. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut a little strip off of the purple and cut some shapes. And then start gluing them on. And I'm going to glue this one right here. And I'll glue this one right here. And let's see. I'll do this one. So see how I'm leaving just a little bit of space in between my colors. And I'm not really thinking about it or planning. Oops, that's too much glue. I'm just kind of making it up as I go along. So there's not really a right or wrong way. You just got to do whatever you think looks cool. Now I'll cut some more. And remember, all this purple that's showing right there, that's going to dry. It's going to dry clear. Let's see. Just some weird shapes. Okay, I'm going to put this one down here-ish. And I'll put this one, this kind of looks like it would fit there. Let's see. Maybe this one will fit right here. There we go. And I'll put this one right here. Whatever you think looks good. And remember, you don't have to do a pattern like I'm doing. You could mix up the colors and just put colors all over the place if you want to. It's totally up to you. Let's see, I'll put this one right here. I think I'm going to do yellow now. Shapes. You don't want to do them too tiny because then you'll be here forever, but you also don't want to do them too big or you won't get to do a very good design. Kind of looks like an egg that got all cracked, right? Like somebody dropped an egg and now it's all cracked. Like a cracked Easter egg. That's what it looks like to me. Okay. I think it's turning out pretty good. I think I'll do another little row of yellow. And then we'll do some pink at the top. Roll your glue up, only glue it up a teeny bit, because if you do it too much, then it breaks really easily. Let's see, what could fit right here? Maybe that one. Okay, now I think I'll do some pink, because I haven't done any of that color yet. And I'll cut my shapes. Is everybody excited for Easter? This is kind of making me want to color my Easter eggs right now. I have to decide how we're going to color our eggs this year. Sometimes we get regular Easter dye, and one time we colored our Easter eggs with whipped cream. And we put food coloring in the whipped cream, and then you roll the egg in it, and then when you're done, you take it out, and the egg is all colorful. It's kind of cool. Let's see, I think I need a long rectangle. Let's see. Oh, and I forgot, it doesn't matter if it sticks off a little bit because we're gonna cut it out. So I'll just put this one right here, and it's gonna stick way out, and that's okay because I'm gonna cut it off later. There we go. So I was asking my class today if they like to hunt for real eggs or for plastic eggs. Sometimes it's fun to find real eggs, and sometimes it's fun to find the plastic ones, because the plastic ones have sometimes candy inside. Another fun thing about Easter is getting those chocolate bunnies. When I was a kid and I eat the chocolate bunnies, I always eat the ears first. Mrs. Hilliard's kind of being messy with my glue, but that's okay, because it'll all dry clear, right? Looks like I'm almost done. I'll only need a few more. Gotta make sure I get glue all the way to the edges. Otherwise it doesn't stick on very well. I'll do this one right here. I think just a couple more and I'll be good. Let's see. Put one there. And we'll put one right here. And I think we're good. Maybe a little bit right here, right on the edge. Okay, when you're all done, and I still have some paper left over, I can recycle it or I can use it for another project. When you're all done, you can let the glue dry a little bit if you want, but it should be okay to cut right now. Make sure you put your cap on your glue, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut out right along the black lines, and if you put paper on the black line, you just cut right on top of it. And you keep turning the paper. And then you'll get to the end. You can throw your scraps in the recycling, and you'll have this super cool little mosaic Easter egg. I think it turned out pretty cute. It'll be a fun little decoration. You can write your name on the back and the date, and now you got yourself some Easter decoration. So I hope you had fun making your mosaic egg. I can't wait to see how yours turned out. See you later.